So what is going on, everyone? So to give you a quick update, I fixed the idling issue on my truck. It wound up being, let's see if I can find it, this hose right here. So it wound up just being loose. So I guess the rat, when he was just kind of going through doing his thing, he popped the hose off, and I was doing a tune-up on it and everything, and as I was doing it, I just saw the hose just kind of hanging out down there. So I followed it, looked around, and I found it immediately, one of the vacuum hoses. And then when I pieced the air filter box, I had forgot to put this hose back on, and it just goes straight up there, up to the air filter box. Don't know if you can see that, but after I did that, I had low RPM, so I had to adjust the throttle. It takes a Phillips head screw. Not sure if you can see it. I'm sorry if you can't. But after I did some adjusting to the throttle, the airflow, everything idle out perfect. So the truck's idling great, it's running great. Just the only downfall is my brakes are locked up now, so have to rip that apart. And I already know the brake master cylinder is bad, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But I'm gonna have to go into it further and find out what's wrong with it. But later on, I'm gonna try to take the truck for a ride, and so y'all can hear what's going on too, and see what's going on as well. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Yeah. So my hot wife's about to ride with me. About to crank it up. It's been running good for a while, so we're gonna drive it to the Dollar General with no insurance and no tag, so don't tell anybody that.
Right across the street.
Yeah,
I mean, people drive that little moped thing.
Yeah, cop pulls us over, I'll just say this is my moped.
Golf carts. They drive those golf cart things. Barely see off the windshield. Oh, we should have moved that.
It'd be all right. We're in a truck.
I know.
Boom, boom. Crunch, crunch, baby.
Yeah, just break it up so the limb people will kind of pick it up. I won't have to cut it. Yeah, it's smaller.
My brakes are still tight. My steering
They
feels
work
kind of...
okay, right?
Yeah.
Like we're not gonna die. God, we're up to 50 and we can't stop. We'll drive around first, right? And then come back. Our neighbors are probably like, oh great, another loud truck.
Just pulling to the right real bad. Yeah, it's pulling real bad.
What would make it do that?
Huh?
What would make it do that?
Well, considering it's set up for so long, I mean, it wasn't pulling before my transmission went out. So if I had to take a wild guess, yeah.
Well,
I mean,
you work at a shop.
Yep. How long is it gonna take you to turn? Oh, my brakes are sticking. That might be why it's pulling. Cause right now I'm pressing the brakes and
It's pulling.
yeah. gears work. Yeah,
Stinks.
that's a combination of my brakes and my gear oil. Like that spilt on the engine.